Follow the model preparation and thermoplastic preparation recommendations for drape forming fabrication using Orfitrans Excel. Preheat the oven to 130 degrees Celsius or to 266 degrees Fahrenheit to prepare for product activation. Once the oven has reached the preheated temperature, the thermoplastic is ready for activation. The optimal activation times for Orfitrans Excel are based on the thickness of the sheet being activated and the type of oven being used for product activation. Ensure that you are protected from high-temperature heat by wearing protective clothing and gear such as long sleeves and insulated gloves. Place the thermoplastic in the preheated oven and close the door to begin the activation process. Since we are using a 3mm sheet of Orfitrans Excel Clear, which will be activated using an infrared oven, the average activation time is expected to take approximately 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Once the thermoplastic is completely activated, it may be removed from the oven. Drape the activated thermoplastic sheet over top of and form it around the model. Take care not to create wrinkles or pull on the softened product. Press the layers of the thermoplastic together firmly to form a sealed seam. Once the seam is formed, slowly activate the vacuum to ensure the best conformity to the model. Next, trim away excess thermoplastic along the seam. This step helps to ensure that the whole seam is sealed and makes the start of the finishing process a little easier as well. When the drape fabrication is complete, you can turn off the vacuum pump. Leave the thermoplastic to cool on the model for 24 hours before beginning the device finishing process. After a 24-hour cooling period, the orthosis is ready for finishing. Follow the safety, trimming, and finishing recommendations for Orfitrans Excel. Following these steps will provide for a perfectly finished, high-quality thermoplastic orthotic device that provides the support and comfort needed for your patient.